City Cabin is a unique design project by Olson Kundig, located in one of Seattle's established residential neighborhoods. This house serves as a solution for its owner, who desired a private residence in an urban environment that remains connected to nature. Spanning 2,400 square feet, City Cabin brings an urban space to life that provides the tranquility of a natural setting. Positioning the home in the northwest corner of the lot was a strategic decision to maximize garden areas on the south and east sides. The staggered footprint allows for more windows, ensuring every room benefits from natural light and offers optimal garden views. The home is based on a net-zero energy concept, meaning it integrates eco-friendly features such as photovoltaic solar panels and an efficient air-to-water heat pump. Trees and dense greenery were planted around the site to transform an ordinary urban lot into a private oasis. According to Jim Olson, the project's principal architect, the client wanted to feel as if she were living in the wilderness, even though her home is on a standard urban lot. This vision is reflected in every aspect of the design, aiming to create a sense of connection with the natural world. City Cabin is organized around a central gathering area with two wings extending outward. One wing includes the main suite, while the other houses the guest room and storage spaces. This central space, which features an open kitchen and living room within a single volume, serves as both the heart of the home and its primary social space. With a 16-foot-high ceiling, the room feels open and spacious. Full-height windows provide beautiful views of the southeast garden, while clear-story windows above maximize natural lighting while maintaining privacy. The choice of materials focused not only on cost efficiency and sustainability, but also took inspiration from the owner's collection of Native American art. Custom-tinted red concrete floors, inspired by red cedar and ochre tones, bring warmth and a natural touch. The walls and ceilings are made of natural, unstained plywood, chosen for durability and simplicity, enhancing the home's organic feel. On the exterior, reclaimed fir siding from a local fruit warehouse adds an eco-friendly, low-maintenance element, as it will develop a natural patina over time with minimal upkeep. Galvanized steel used for the roof and beam end caps complements the natural wood finishes, bringing character and resilience to the exterior. Additionally, the roof features sedum plants, creating a green roof that helps with thermal insulation, reduces rainwater runoff, and supports the owner's commitment to environmental conservation. City Cabin is an inspiring example for those seeking to create a peaceful living experience that harmonizes with nature, even in a dense urban environment. This design shows that a connection to nature can be achieved through careful spatial planning, thoughtful material choices, and a holistic approach to sustainability. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found ideas and inspiration for your dream home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more exciting videos from Block 7. See you in the next video.